In this video, I'll show you how to find and open the clipboard on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. Being able to access your clipboard history is really useful, so let's get started. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the search bar. Type Settings and open it. Once you're in Settings, click on System. The layout might look slightly different on Windows 10, but the steps are essentially the same. Now scroll down until you find Clipboard and click on it. If you're having trouble locating it, you can always use the search bar inside Settings. Next, turn on Clipboard History. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. Now to open your clipboard, simply press Windows key plus V on your keyboard. The clipboard panel will appear. At first, it might be empty or only show an item, but as you copy more text or images, they'll start appearing here. For example, if you copy a few pieces of text, then press Windows plus V again, you'll see a list of everything you've copied. You can scroll through the history and select anything you want to paste. And that's it. It's that simple to access and use your clipboard in Windows. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips like this.